Discerning drivers will appreciate the 2019 Ford F-150. With fewer than 50,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle proves competitive in its price class based on its condition and value. Top features include a split folding rear seat, delay-off headlights, a tachometer, variably intermittent wipers, a rear step bumper, and much more. Ford also prioritized safety and security by including dual front impact airbags, head curtain airbags, traction control, brake assist, ignition disabling, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Electronic stability control stands out as a technologically savvy innovation, keeping you better connected to the road. This vehicle has achieved certified pre-owned status by passing Ford's rigorous certification process. Our sales reps are extremely helpful and knowledgeable. Come on in and take a test drive.